In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage product categories on your Wix site. Whether you're starting fresh or looking to organize your online store more effectively, creating categories is a great way to help your customers navigate your products more easily. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the area labeled Store Products. You might also see this section referred to as Catalog. Click on it and then select Manage Categories. If you happen to be using the Wix app, the steps are quite similar. Tap on Manage Sites, then proceed to Store Products, and finally, tap on Manage Categories. This section allows you to organize your products systematically, making it simpler for customers to browse through various sections of your online store. Once you've reached the Manage Categories area, you're ready to create a new category. Look for the plus New Category button if you're on the desktop version. If you're using the app, you will tap Create Category. This functionality is the same across both platforms and is your starting point for initiating the categorization process. Now, let's dive into the details. You're going to introduce your new category to the system by providing some basic information. Start by entering a name for your category. Choose something descriptive that gives your customers a clear idea of what types of products they can expect to find there. Following the name, add a description. This is an excellent opportunity to explain a bit more about the category's theme, the types of products included, or any special features. An engaging description can enhance your category's appeal and clarity. Don't forget to upload an image. A relevant and attractive image can go a long way in drawing your visitors' attention and giving them a visual cue about the category's contents. With your category set up, it's time to add some products. Look for the plus Add Products button. Clicking on it will bring up a list of all the products available in your store. Here, you can select the specific products you wish to include in your newly created category. Be thoughtful about your selections to ensure they align with the category's theme. Once you've picked out the products, click Add to make them part of the category. As a final step, it's crucial to click Save. This step ensures that all the effort you've put into creating and organizing your category is preserved and made live on your website. Saving your changes is an indispensable part of maintaining an up-to-date and professional-looking online store. That's it. You've successfully created a product category on Wix. By categorizing your products, you're enhancing your website's navigation and overall customer experience. Remember, well-organized categories can lead to increased engagement and sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on your Wix store.